YouTube. Like, don't nobody know I got that yet. YouTube know it first. Period. Period. Alright, hey YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. It's Zharri here, and I have another video for y'all today. Before I get into this video, I want y'all to go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe on my page, on my channel, whatever. And turn your bell notifications on so you know every time I make a post. Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like Goya, G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got a cold. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go. Got that ass to the floor, yeah. Whoa. You ain't gotta deal with none of these niggas no more. If we hop in the Benz, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my Prada babe? I ain't no. So today is gonna be an unboxing video of some inventory I have that came in today. Wait, hold on. Let me.
What makes her busy?
The music is kind of throwing me up right now. Okay, but yeah, like I said, today I have an unboxing video of some inventory that came in. And I wasn't going to start an entrepreneur series with this product specifically. I was going to start the entrepreneur series with my like my own brand and everything. But since I started selling these products, business has actually been going really well for me. So I'm actually going to start the series with this. So let me tell y'all a little bit about me. My name is Zharri. I'm from Chicago. I'm 21 years old. I do have a son. He's 1. So yeah, that's about me. There you go. That's how you know. Boom. So what I've been selling is like initial necklaces and anklets. Oh, and don't mind me, y'all. I just finished my hair. I'm about to go out in a minute, so you know the baby hair's gotta be laces, like for real. Oh, but yeah. So I do have one on right now. It is a Z. Wait. I will like insert pictures and stuff so y'all can see it. But yeah, business has been going very well for me. I didn't even think it would do this good. I pretty much sold out. I probably have a couple letters left, like 3 or 4. You know, not that many, but I can show y'all. This is the B. Oh wait. Okay, so you see it and it shines. It's really pretty. I see it like right here. Like I love it. It's really pretty. A lot of my customers been sending me like videos and pictures of them wearing it. People they've been referring people to me to buy one. So yeah, I'm really excited about this. Now let me just put it back. Woo. Okay. So boom. So I'm going to be opening. This is my package right here. Let me get a thumbnail. Okay. I did just have some sandwiches. I don't know. Okay. There you go. So, I'm going to open the box. I'm super excited. Like, I didn't think that I would even do this. I'm going to show y'all, like, my progress as well. From the first batch I had. Yeah, so y'all can see that. Y'all can see how much, like, money I made and stuff. Yeah. So, we're unboxing. Oh, that's kind of hard to pull off. Okay. So. I forgot, you guys. I got initial rings this time as well because after I seen like how well I was doing with the letters. I mean, not the letters. The necklaces and bracelets. I'm sorry, I don't have one on right now, y'all. I'm sorry. I kind of lost. Well, I know where mine's at. It's not here. But yeah, I had ordered some initial rings as well, y'all, and I totally forgot. Oh my god! Nah, let me stop playing. Y'all just know how you get so excited for something. Okay, boom. Oh my god, that is cute. Look. Oh, if I'm ashy. Sorry. But look. Oh, I'm too ashy. That looks like a J. Yeah, it's a J. I forgot I had these. Oh my god. I don't know how much I'm going to sell these for yet. Think about it. I think I'm going to do it for $5. See it? $5. $5, that ain't bad, you know. And then my anklets are $10 and my necklaces are $20. You know, it's affordable and it's pretty, so, you know. But yes, oh my god, so I do have rings. I totally forgot I was getting rings. That's crazy. Did y'all see my reaction? What y'all think about the rings? Tell me what y'all think. I do gotta get some, so when I first started, I was using this box to work out of. All my necklaces and anklets, but that was getting too hectic, and then the box started breaking, you know, wear and tear and stuff like that. So I did purchase these from Jewel Osco. They was like $4 or $5. So yeah, I do have that. I don't know where this top went. I lost the top. That's okay. So I don't even know how I'm gonna separate this stuff now. Like, this is just they put a lot of stuff in this box, because last time I had 30 necklaces and 30 anklets, and they had it in the same size box. Now this time I think I got like 31 anklets and 38 necklaces, and then I got like 30 rings, and they still put them all in the same size box. So I don't know what I'm gonna do about that. I'll put that top. I don't know what I'm gonna do about that. Ugh. Okay. But yeah, as y'all can see, these are the rings. Let me just take this out. These is right on top. The rings. I'm just gonna take them all out. So these is the anklets. They're right under the rings. Oh, this is the S. It's so pretty. It's crazy. The first batch I got, I didn't get an S. I don't know why I didn't get an S. I just didn't think that was a popular letter. And then once I started putting it, promoting it on Facebook and stuff, everybody wanted an S. I was so mad. So I made sure I got some S's this time. Let me just take it out the package for y'all. Oh, it's so pretty. I'm not gonna put it all the way on because I got on nails and I need help and nobody's here with me. So you can wear it as like a bracelet or an anklet. You see? Yeah, they're really cute. I'm not sure if it shows the shine on the camera, but they do shine. It's really pretty. Let me just put this back. So yeah, it's cute. Once I put them on Facebook, so let me tell y'all my little journey for this past little week. So I end up posting them on Facebook at nighttime, like at 11, 12 o'clock at night. The day I had like a couple days after I got the first order, and since then I've been getting, like, I sold out of a lot of letters like that same day as soon as I posted it. How have I been promoting? Somebody asked me how was I promoting my stuff. Basically just on Facebook. Like, I don't even be on Instagram like that, but I'm gonna have to start. I end up making an Instagram page and everything, y'all. So I'm gonna make sure I put all of that in as well, so y'all can go follow me. I'm getting a website to add my stuff on. I do have like product pictures and stuff like that to take. And then I just with this, like, this not even my real business. This is just something I did to boost me. You feel me? To boost me to where I need to go. Because the budget for my real business is way, 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 way too high. Like the amount I need to spend, and I just don't have that right now. So these necklaces and anklets have definitely helped me. So that's what I'm just gonna keep. I'm gonna keep this like for as long as I'm in business. You know, because it is different. Everybody do have a different letter name. Some people don't even get their own name. Some people get it for their boyfriend, their girlfriend, their kids, their mama, you know. So yeah. So here's the D, taking it out. Oh, this brightness is like, I don't know. And I don't know how to work my ring light like that, y'all. So y'all just gonna have to bear with me. But y'all see the D? Pretty, right? Yeah, it's so pretty. So, whew, I totally forgot I was getting these rings. I don't understand how I'm gonna do this right now. I need something to put this stuff in. So I'll have to figure that out in a second. But yes, so I'm excited about this. So y'all see what I have. I have letter necklaces and letter anklets / bracelets, whatever one you want to wear. And then I also have the rings like I just showed y'all. And that's new. Like, don't nobody even know I got that yet. YouTube know it first. Period. But yes, these is, I'm gonna have to go all through this stuff, like, and I'm gonna have to really organize. That's not working out. But for the first shipment I had of my necklaces and bracelets or whatever, for my drop off orders, I was putting them in these little bags like this. I did get these from Party City. They was only 50 cents a bag, so I had got a couple of them, all colored. Well, not all colors. I had got like a hot pink and a black at first. Obviously, I ran out of those bags, so now I have these colors, and I'm about to run out. I only got 6 left, so I'm gonna have to go to Party City again to get some more. What else? Pretty much it for that. And then, oh yeah, let me show y'all my progress. So like I said, I've just been promoting on Facebook. It's like these Facebook pages. I'm not sure if y'all aware of them or like whatever, but I'm sorry, y'all know maybe they just send me a message. He is crazy. Why would he send me this? Okay, whatever. Yeah, you right, babe. Okay, sure. Anyways, yeah, let me show y'all my how much money I made, because I don't think people really like understand, like, you need to get on your baby girl, like, for real. You could be making so much money. I only spent my inventory for my first shipment. I think I only spent $180. Like $180. That's all I spent. And I'm finna show y'all my cash out of how much I had made. Let me find it. Oh. Anyways, okay. So this is my cash app of what I had made. It's not everything I made, but you know, I was getting cash as well. I was getting money, Zelle, you know, PayPal too. But this is just how much I made off cash app. So let me go ahead and show y'all. You see that $600.86? That's my personal cash app, and that's all from the necklaces and stuff. I told you I only spent $180, so I did real good, and that was just on cash app. Like I said, cash app. That's not the cash I made. That's not the money I got Zelle. That's not the money I got PayPal. So you do the math. You feel me? So I am gonna be working on the website. That's coming next. Hopefully, I don't know. Hopefully I'll do that and get that going. But yeah, I never even mentioned the name of my company. Well, like I said, my business is not even what this was supposed to be about. Like, this just was something that was helping me get there. But since I did do very good, I am going to keep this for a while. And I also, I do got some more necklaces coming. I'm not going to tell y'all yet. I'm going to just wait till they get here, take another video. So, you know, keep posting and stuff. But yes, YouTube will know first. Know that. Period, sis. Make sure y'all go follow me on my business page at Company of Zharri. I don't think I mentioned that in the beginning, but I'm gonna put that as well. But yes, go follow me at my Instagram page at Company of Zharri. My personal IG is Zharri with 2 A's. That'll be on there as well. What else? I'm trying to see if I want to do a sneak peek of. Nah, I ain't gonna do it. Y'all just gonna have to wait for that one. Y'all have to wait for that one. It's coming though. It's coming though. Be ready. Be on the lookout. And then, okay, last thing though, my vendor did send me a sample of the gold letter anklets that they have. Why would she send me this letter? Why would she not send me a Z? I'm so over it. Why would she not send me a Z? How you gonna give me a sample of something that's not even for me? Who I'm gonna get this to? She just made me mad. I don't know nobody's name start with a C. But this is the gold one. She just gave it to me to try it out. Oh, it is a little bit better. I don't know. So I might add these. I'm not sure yet. But yeah, so like I said, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe on my video. Go ahead and follow me on my IG pages, my both of my pages, my personal and my business. I need to calm down, I'm talking too fast. My personal page and my business page. I do follow back, you guys. Let me know what y'all think about my products. If you have any orders from me, make sure y'all tag us to get featured. You know, like I said, I'm going to be working on the website. That's coming soon. My real business, everything is like coming together really good. I will give y'all a sneak talk about that. So I had samples. Okay, so my real business, I'm trying to start a underwear collection, underwear line. And then I have like t-shirts and shorts. Like, they're really cute, really nice and comfy wear for women, for girls and women. I had my samples for a long time now. I could probably, I don't know if I'm gonna post them or not yet. I'm not sure. I'm just, I'm trying to get it all together. But yes, I had a couple models take some pictures for me. One of my models did send me her pictures, and they are so cute. I'm so excited to drop my own brand. But that's coming soon. It's not ready yet. It's not ready yet. It's not ready yet. But it is coming on the way. But until then, this is what I do have. I do have purses as well, but they're kind of mostly sold out. I have like 2 left, and I don't think I'm restocking those. So it doesn't even make sense to talk about that. But this is what I do have. I did my unboxing video for y'all. I don't want to go through all of them just because it's going to be a lot of organizing to do. I'll probably just record myself doing that later at another time, but I am going to go out and I ain't got time for this right now. I did just want to show y'all. Okay. But yeah, I'm going to make sure I count them all, go through all of them, make sure I have the correct number of everything. Some people already pre-ordered for their letters, so I have to make sure I go through that, make sure I put theirs to the side and package them up maybe tonight. It'll probably be tonight, or maybe tomorrow. I don't know. It'll be soon. Today or tomorrow, depends. And then, yeah. Be on the lookout for my website. It is coming soon. Be on the lookout for the launch of my real business. That is coming soon as well. And just like, comment, and subscribe on my videos, my pictures. Go ahead and follow us on Instagram. Yeah. It's lit. Pretty, tap in. Period. Bye, y'all.